Go. Yes, I am going to teach a topic that is the isomerism. This topic is from the organic chemistry of class 11 from the section GOC, General Organic Chemistry. Here I am going to discuss that firstly, what is the meaning of isomerism? Isomerism is a term which explains the two sentences, isos and meris, means the same parts known as the isomerism. When we go its classification, it is classified into two categories. First is known as structural isomerism and second is known as stereo isomerism. Structural, as its name indicated as, it is the isomerism in which the molecular formula is the same but the structure will be different, known as the structural isomerism. Why? On taking the example in the stereoisomerism, where the molecular formula is same but the spatial arrangement of the atom will be different. Now come to the structural isomerism. When we classified the structural isomerism on the basis of the NCERT of the class 11, the first part of that isomerism is the chain isomerism. What? Chain isomerism. Then we just go through its keyword. Keyword is chain. That means if the molecular formula is same but the difference in the chain, parent chain of the carbon atom is known as the chain isomerism. Getting or not? Here I am going to take the example of the alkane. You all know about the general formula of alkane. What is the general formula of alkane? Its general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Its general formula is CnH2n plus 2. So on the basis of that, I have chosen the example C4H10. Here the number of carbons are 4. Firstly, I have drawn its chain. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Just count the number of the hydrogen. 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3, that is equals to the 10. And the number of the carbon are 4. Just number it 1, 2, 3, 4. You all are seeing that the parent chain containing the 4 carbon. Parent chain containing the 4 carbon. That is why it is a normal straight chain and it is named as the N-butane. The name of the organic compound is the N-butane. Or when we just make its another isomer containing the 3 carbon. How many carbon are there? 3 carbon. And when we satisfy its valencies with one substituent. The one substituent here is the CS3, CS3, CS3. Just go through the valency of the middle one carbon and it is satisfied by the one hydrogen. Now number the parent chain. Here I have numbered the parent chain. Then the parent carbon chain is containing how many carbon? 3 carbon. Carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. Where the substituent is present at the carbon number 2nd. That is why when we just compare the first example with the second example or first isomer with the second isomer, we are getting the second isomer is containing the carbon chain with the length 3 carbon and it is known as 2-methyl propane. So 2-methyl propane. When we compare the world root number of carbon